My stovetop beef gravy is so easy to make and is perfect for your next Sunday supper roast. Start by melting butter in a saucepan. Add in flour. Whisk until everything is combined, stirring frequently to keep the roux from burning. Stir for 30 minutes or until the roux reaches a deep golden brown. Slowly whisk in the beef stock. Bring to a low boil while continuously stirring. Add in the beef drippings and season with salt and pepper. Simmer while whisking until you reach your desired level of thickness. You can find more easy gravy recipes on our website.